5 seconds. Honorable members, my government, which is committed to women-led development, has started a new era of women empowerment. Women in our country had been demanding greater representation in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha for a long time. Today, they stand empowered by the enactment of Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. Over the past decade, various government schemes have led to greater economic empowerment of women. As you are aware, during the last 10 years, majority of the 4 crore PM Awas houses have been allotted to women beneficiaries. Now at the very start of the third term of my government, approval for construction of 3 crore new houses has been accorded. Most of these houses will be allotted to women beneficiaries. Over the last 10 years, 10 crore women have been mobilized into self-help groups. My government has started a comprehensive campaign to make 3 crore women Lakpati Didis. For this, financial support to the self-help groups is also being increased. The endeavor of the government is to improve skills and sources of income and enhance respect for women. The Namo Drone Didi scheme is contributing towards achieving this goal. Under this scheme, women belonging to thousands of self-help groups are being provided with drones and also being trained as drone pilots. My government has also recently started Krishi Sakhi initiative. Under this initiative, till date, 30,000 women belonging to self-help groups have been provided with Krishi Sakhi certificates. Krishi Sakhis are being trained in modern agricultural practices so that they can help farmers in further modernization of agriculture. The effort of my government is also to maximize the savings of women. We are all aware of the popularity of Sukanya Smriddhi Yojana, under which a higher interest rate is being provided to girls on their bank deposits. Women are also immensely benefiting from the schemes providing free ration and affordable gas cylinders. Now my government has also brought a scheme to bring down the electricity bill to zero and generate income by selling electricity. Solar panels are being installed on the rooftops of houses under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. For this, my government has been providing a support of up to rupees 78,000 per family. More than 1 crore families have already been registered under this scheme within a very short time. The electricity bill of houses with rooftop solar installation has come down to zero. Honorable members, achieving the goal of Viksit Bharat will be possible only when the poor, youth, women and farmers of this country are empowered. Therefore, topmost priority is being accorded to these 4 pillars in the schemes of my government. Only our effort is to ensure that the benefit of every government schemes reaches them. This is the saturation approach. When the government works with the intention that not a single person is left out of the government schemes, it benefits everyone. It is because of the implementation of government schemes with the saturation approach over the last 10 years that 25 crore Indians have been brought out of poverty. This includes families of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, backward classes, and all other social and regional groups. In the last 10 years, focus on late mile last delivery has changed the lives of these sections. The change is more evident, especially in the tribal communities. A scheme like PM Janman with an allocation of more than rupees 24,000 crore is proving to be a means of development of the most backward tribal communities. The government is also providing soft loans to the disadvantaged groups through PM Suraj portal for making livelihood opportunities available. My government is developing affordable indigenous assistive devices for Divyang brothers and sisters. PM Divyasha Kendra are also being expanded to all parts of the country. This commitment to serve the deprived is true social justice. As a mark of respect for the country's labor force, the welfare and empowerment of workers are my government's priority. My government is integrating all the social security schemes for workers. The coverage of accident and life insurance is being expanded by leveraging the networks of Digital India and the post offices. The scope of PM Swanidhi will be expanded and street vendors in rural and semi-urban areas will also be brought under its ambit. Baba Saheb Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar believed that the progress of any society depends on the progress of the lower strata of the society. Empowerment of the poor has been the foundation of the achievements and progress of the nation in the last 10 years. For the first time, my government has made the poor realize that the government is at their service. In the difficult times of the corona pandemic, the government started PM Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana to provide free ration to 80 crore persons. The benefit of this scheme is also being given to those families who have come out of poverty so that they do not slip back into poverty. Swachh Bharat mission has also made the dignity of the poor as well